welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis sitting with us around the world at this moment through Nityananda TV, Sadhana TV, Lotus News Channel, Janashri TV, Ishwar TV, and through two-way video conferencing in 30 places, having Nayana Diksha in 23 countries around the world as per the statistics. Cities sitting with us in two-way video conferencing. Monterrey, Mexico, Toronto, Kailasam, Winnipeg, Canada, San Jose, Madurai, Seattle, Chidambaram, Hyderabad, Guptakashi, Nityananda Nagaramu, Hyderabad, San Diego, La Jolla, Oklahoma, Somanatham, Singapore, Singapuram, New York, Varanasi, Santa Fe, New Mexico, Vancouver, Bhubaneswar, Nityananda Nagara, Bidadi, Ohio, Prayag, Guadalupe, Rameshwaram, Los Angeles, Arunachalam, Austin, Dakota Dunes, Dallas, Dwaraka, Bogota, Colombia, Adi Arunachalam, New Zealand, Dubai, Vaidyanatham, Valasayur, the Padayatra team, Sannyas Padayatra team, Oman, Sivagangai, Tiruvanmiyur, Dhyanapitham, Kuala Lumpur, Kathmandu, Nepal. I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Today I will expand on sannyas. Today is the great day, 12/12/13. Last year on this day we were in the cruise meditating. Twelfth day. Today we will be working on pouring the life energy into your created reality, giving life to the reality you created. Come on, let me explain on what I wanted to exactly define. Yesterday I was defining, when you enter into any relationship with the clear decision, with the context of being a catalyst to enrich the other person, it is sannyas. Please understand. Please listen. I am not saying don't get married. I am not saying get married. All I am trying to tell you is do it from the right context. Whether you get married or take sannyas, do it from the right context. When you are secretly strategizing in your heart, when you are secretly hoping in your heart, what are you hoping? Are you hoping to use the other woman or man to fulfill what you want? Or you are sincerely trying to be catalyst to make the other person's reality better, to be a cause for other person to realize what he wants as reality in his life. Please listen. If you say, no, I'll help him also to realize and I'll use him also to help me realize my dreams. No. It is a Ravana wearing the sannyas vesha. Ravana wearing the makeup of sannyasi to kidnap Sita. No. Even one line iota of a secret strategy planning. Be very clear. The wrong context is set. The context is no more right. Do not, please listen, do not allow even a small underground secret thought how I can use the other person in the relationship. Please understand. Morality is the social fabric. Enriching is the consciousness fabric. Morality is the base material based on which society is built. Enriching is the base material based on which consciousness is built. So please listen. Let every step be completely how I can be a catalyst for the other person to experience what he wants as a reality in the life. I really tell you, that is the best way, you will experience the highest realities in your life. Please listen. There are three varieties. One, people who straight away plan how I can use this guy or her to fulfill my desires. If you are living this kind of life, you have to struggle all alone. Life energy is not going to stand by you or support you. Second group, I will also be the cause for fulfilling the other person. I will use the other person also to fulfill my cause. Here again, you may have only the support of the other person. Only both of you have to be struggling. When you stand, I'll be the pure cause, catalyst for everyone to experience their reality. Suddenly life supports you. Life stands by you. I tell you, allow the life to stand by you. Allow the life to support you. Allow the life to stand by you. Allow the be a catalyst. Be a cause for everyone. Be a catalyst. Be a cause for everyone. to experience. Be a catalyst, be a cause for every way life to express itself. I tell you. Constantly life wants to radiate through you. You are not the rejected piece of life. You are trial piece of life. You are not a rejected piece of life. You are trial piece of life. Life is trying through you. But the moment you come to the conclusion you are the rejected piece, you write your destiny in a wrong way. Life is constantly trying through you. Ashtama Siddhis express through you. Ashtama Siddhis are not some extraordinary they are not extraordinary. I know how much ever I say I won't be able to convince you, but all your secret strategy plannings are not going to work. It is called renunciation. You dropping all those foolish secret strategy planning is Bhasmasnana. You killing the root pattern which creates constantly the secret strategy plannings is Swadarpana, giving Darpana to yourself, declaring, I'll be the catalyst for everyone to experience fulfillment in what they wanted to make it as reality. I'll be the cause for everyone to realize their reality actively. That is Viraja Homa. And I'll be the cause for everyone to realize what they want as reality in the life. That is sannyas. Very rarely I feel overwhelmed when I speak some subject. Today I can say that I am overwhelmed because such a simple technique can awaken so much in your inner consciousness. I tell you, in your office, in your house, in the market, in your business, with your customers, in your ashram, in your school, in your college, whether you are a student or a teacher, boss or a employee, whatever you may be, just bring authentic listening with a sincere decision to be a catalyst for people to experience what they want as a reality. Sincerely provide your authentic listening with the decision, I'll be just a catalyst supporting people to realize their cause. The next season, my birthday to Shivaratri, I announce as season of Shravana, listening. Those few months, you will all be putting your energy and intelligence only in listening, 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 and helping everyone to achieve completion. Listen, listen, listen. Bring authenticity into your listening. Bring authenticity into your listening. I tell you, every time when you sit with passion and listen, every time you spend your energy and listen, it is literally awakening your Kundalini energy. Such a simple, powerful technique is available. Humanity should not miss it. Humanity should use it. Humanity should use it. Humanity sit within yourself. Oh, human beings, sit within yourself. Even if you listen to you, you will allow so many miraculous powers to express itself. If you listen to others, if you provide authentic listening to others, you will make them realize, express many of their capabilities. Providing authentic listening, deciding to be a catalyst for everyone to realize their cause is the ultimate service you can do, because it is directly giving enlightenment. It is directly giving enlightenment. That's the ultimate service you can provide to life and to human beings. Whoever decides from now my life is for being a cause for others to realize their cause. Whoever decides from now, raise your hand. I give you guys my tatastu. Practice this sincerely. That is sannyas. That is enlightenment. Decide. No hypocrisy. No secret cause. No secret strategy. Sincerely, let me be a cause for everyone to realize their cause. It may be my husband, my wife, my son, my daughter, my brother, or my friend, or business colleague, or my employee, or my neighbor, or my countrymen, or the people in my street, people in my village, or people in my planet Earth, or people in my universe, whoever they may be. I'll be the sincere cause. I'll be a sincere catalyst to cause what others want to cause in their life. I tell you, with this, life energy opens in you. Life energy opens in you. With this, again, sit. to mirror the neuron activity of the master's brain. Mentation. Sit straight. With this one decision, create a space. Let me mirror the cosmic neuron activity. Namah Shivaya. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.